I'm Anil Kumar, and we will learn how to divide fractions using common denominators. We have a fraction here, 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5. Now, before getting into common denominator, let me share with you the common technique, which is using area. So what we will do here is we'll make two rectangles. One to represent 2 over 3, the other one divisor to represent 4 over 5. 2 over 3. So that means we'll divide this into 3 rows, right? And select 2 out of them, correct? So we divide it into 3 rows, select 2 out of them. So that is what we have selected, 2 out of them. Okay, now it is 4 over 5. Now here we are going to divide it into 5 columns and select 4 out of them. And then our question will be, how many times? We'll answer the question, how many times can 4 out of 5 go into 2 over 3. Now, it might become slightly difficult, so what we will do here is that in our first rectangle itself, we'll divide it into 5 columns also, right? So let's say these are 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here, the second one will make 3 rows. So that is these 3 rows and 5 columns. 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We need to divide 2 over 3 by 4 over 5, correct? So as you have seen, 2 out of 3. So these are the 2 rows selected. 4 out of 5. Let me select 4 columns, right? So we have 4 columns selected, right? That is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So we have selected 4 columns out of 5. Now, the question here is, how many times will this go into that? Now, since we have same number of rows and columns, or we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 3 times 5 divisions, right? So here we have small divisions of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These divisions, 10, will form the numerator for us. So that becomes the numerator. So we can write this as 10 over how many are here. So how many of these go into those? That means 10 divided by these. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 10 divided by 12. So 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 is 10 divided by 12. Let me illustrate this with the help of our concept of common denominator, right? That is to say, let me show you here now, common denominator concept. So we are dividing 2 over 3 by 4 over 5. Now, to get the common denominator, what should we do? We should multiply these with 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. So we get 10. 3 times 5 is 15 divided by 4 times 3. We have to make it 15, right? Common denominator is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. So what we have here, by the concept of common denominator, since the common denominator could be 15, 10 over 15 divided by 12 over 15. So what we get here is 10 divided by 12. So the principle of common denominator tells us that the shaded portions here will form the numerator, and the number of squares or rectangles shaded on the right side will form denominator. So that gives us a very easy technique of just counting these squares or rectangles and writing down our answer. The reason is that whenever we are given a question like this, we find common denominator, and then it is as good as dividing the whole numbers, right? I hope you understand and appreciate the concept. We'll take a few more examples to elaborate on this. I'm Anil Kumar. You can share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.